Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Ambire Wallet not working issue on PC. If your Ambire Wallet is not loading on your PC, stuck on login or failing to connect to the D apps or not signing transaction, this guide will walk you through troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue quickly and securely. Follow this step carefully to restore proper wallet functionality. First, you need to make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. If the wallet is not loading properly, you can go to this incognito or private mode, check whether extensions are causing interface. First, open any of this web browser, go to this three-lined icon in the top right. Over here, you can select to this new incognito window and you can go to Ambire Wallet after that. You can also clear cache and the cookies. In your web browser in the top right, there this three-lined icon again. There this three-dot icon again here. Go to the settings. Once you reach into the setting interface, you need to go to this privacy and security. And here you can simply delete the browsing data and select this delete. And that is it. After that, you can restart the browser. Now reload the Ambire Wallet and you need to test again. And most Ambire Wallet issue on PC are caused by the outdated browsers, corrupted cache files, extension conflicts, or incorrect network configuration. And by systematically applying these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve the issue and restore normal wallet functionality. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.